Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. We can see here in the pre-market that BYND is down for the day, down about 20%, maybe more, right here. As we can see there. And this is for pre-market trading. Before the market opens, we have about 2 minutes, and this is for October 29th, 2019. There's the market open. Let's wait a few minutes and take a look at how the chart looks like for BYND. Again, this is for... So this is yesterday's close on the weekly chart. Now, I've been talking about this chart for a while and pretty much was highlighting this area here where there was a possibility of a break. Took a while, as we can see here, but ultimately there was a break, and we can see the consequence of that break is the sentiment in the stock has really changed. So this is yesterday's chart on the weekly. Let me update this to show the current chart, and we can see now reflecting that drop. All the indicators pretty much on the RSI and MACD is trading at all-time lows. Links for the previous video are gonna be in the description. Again, links for the previous videos are gonna be in the description. This video was just highlighting that the things we were looking at a couple of weeks ago, months ago, have come into fruition. The stock is seeing a big drop. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ETFs.